Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay,
Morning, dear.
okay. We were discussing investment account, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I explained you the very first class. There are two alternatives. Number one, we can purchase the investment or we can sell it. If you are going to purchase the investment, there are two alternatives. Number one, you can go for a cum dividend or a interest basis, or you can go for a exclusive dividend or interest basis. That is, those are the two arrangements for a purchasing of the investment. When you are going for sale, if you decided to sell your investment, there are two arrangements. Number one, you can select the cum dividend or a interest, or else we can go for a ex dividend or a interest. Out of four alternative, we have finished off number one. I think you will be understood. Number one, there are two arrangements. Number one, we have discussed cum dividend or using the cum interest basis how to do the purchase of investment. There are two arrangements. This is the first method. Look at here. Investment is the assets of the organization or individual person that should be debited in the investment account. The investment should be debited in the investment account because that is the asset. The same time, we have to record in the what? We have to credit in the what account? Cash account. Cash
Cash.
account. Cash account. Normally, investment account debit, cash account is credit. That is the arrangement for an investment account. When you are adopting the cum dividend basis, when you are doing the cum dividend basis, or when you are adopting the ex dividend basis, this double entry will be vary. That's why we have discussed the two arrangement. Number one, interest account or income account. Interest or income, or we have separately we have a cost. Okay, we have separately cost, and also we have capital column. There are two column we have discussed: capital column, income column, and the nominal value. That is why when you are doing the double entry, investment account debit and the cash account is credit will be very. When you are doing the cum dividend basis, look at here. I will repeat again. Debit income column. We know the three columns. Income column. Can you remember that those three columns?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we have a nominal, that is the face value of the investment. Second column, income column, that is interest or a dividend. Third column is the capital. We can go for a cum dividend or ex dividend. If it is a cum dividend, what is the amount included? That should be taken out, would be recorded in the income column. That balance would be treated as a cost of the investment. Those are the part we have discussed. Look at number one example also we have done, question also we have done. Now we will look at the what method? Ex dividend method. Ex dividend. That means exclusive or without interest. The first method, we purchase. Say for example, you have given to the seller 110,000 on the basis of the cum. After doing our analysis, we are saying 10,000 rupees is the interest given to the seller. 100,000 is the cost. Therefore, we have to record in the nominal column 100,000, income column 10,000, cost column would be recorded what? 100,000. Is it clear now?
Okay.
Yes. Early example clear now?
It's
Now,
absolutely.
now look at exclusive means the dividend or interest not included. How to work it? Look at here. When the investment are purchased, its dividend or interest will be given the next term and entitled for the dividend or interest not due to the purchaser. Not due. Not due. Therefore, it is not paid. It is not a payment to the seller. So far, you didn't pay the interest, you are paying only the cost. That is called exclusive, without interest. We have discussed the cum interest, including interest or with interest. Including interest or with interest, that is the part we have discussed. If there is a second situation, if you are look at here, the debit capital column with the actual payment plus amount reduced from the page excluding the income accrued to the new holder. We have deducted the income from there, not a new holder, old holder. That means seller. We have to calculate the interest, they are seller interest. But here we have to calculate the interest of the new holder, means we can use the word is purchaser. Purchaser interest would be calculated when you look at the X method. When you are saying the cum dividend method, we have to look at the seller period or the seller interest. Okay, no? Right. Again, credit the income column with the amount deducted from the price excluding the income accrue to the new holder. What is the interest we have recorded with a particular person or a new holder would be recorded in the income column. Now then, the both credit, this credit and cash credit together would be recorded in the debit column. Okay, look at, I will repeat again. Debit 100,000 capital, credit may be 10,000 income, again credit cash 10,000. Therefore, look at, there are two creditors, one 100,000, other credit 10,000, altogether 110,000 would be debited in the what do you call capital column. Okay, this is normal. On the receipt of the income column, there is no 3-4 double entry. We have to go for a double entry only that. Therefore, cash account is debit, the investment account, the debit column, the income column or an income column would be credited in the investment account. Okay, that is the double entry for exclusive method. It is not a problem whether you are going for a cum dividend or ex dividend. After purchasing, we have to record for an income every 3 months or every 6 months or every 1 year, or what is depend on the interest declaration date. If you take the 6 month, we have to record the interest every 6 months. That's why they are saying every 6 month debit cash account, credit in the what column? Income column of the capital account. This is normal. At the year end of the period, the difference between the two columns transfer to investment income as balances are carried forward to the other column. After the end of the period, what is the income you have earned, that should be transferred to the common P&L account. Is it okay? Understood the ex-dividend method?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. Look at the example. With the fact that the same idea or same data given in the question number 1, except the acquisition taken place. The acquisition took place on 1st July 2015 instead of earlier date. I think the earlier date, the example number 1 saying you have purchased on 1st May 2017. Now they are saying no, the total purchase is taken place 1st July 2015 when the price was 91 at the exclusive or ex-interest basis. Their selling price is 94 cum, here 91x. That is the difference. Question number 1, 94 cum, purchase date are different, but here the purchase price is 91 x method and also the date also different, 1st July. You are required to show the journal entries in the investing company ledger for its financial year ended 31st March 2016. Okay. Is it okay? I think this may be wrong. Can you make it? This one is 18, not 16. 18, no? 31st. No, okay. Yes, okay. 16, yeah. 16, okay, right. There is the different accounts. But that one is, what is that? 2016 or something, 17 and 16. Travel company purchase on debentures on 15 and 16. Okay. 15 and 16. Okay. Shall we do the example?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm saying you have to keep with the question paper notes. I cannot share both. I will share my whiteboard. We will do that. Is it visible? Whiteboard visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First one, we have to write down the title. We have to look at how many columns. We have 3 columns. We have 3 columns, first, second, and also third. There are 3 columns. The left hand side or a credit side also we have to have 3 columns. 1, 2, nominal value, income column, capital or a cost. Nominal value, income column, capital or a cost. Can you tell me anyone what is the name of the company? What is the investment, or else can you tell me the investment? What is the item invested? Debentures or what is that? The fact are the same. What is the item purchased? Ravi company purchased debentures 10%, isn't it? Therefore, you want to title 10% debentures investment account for the year ended 31st March. When? 31st March when? Question number 2. What is the date?
2016.
2016. Therefore, our year started on 1st April 2015 to 31st March 2016. They are declaring the interest on every 31st March and 30th September. Are you okay? These are the 2 dates. 31st March and 30th September. Those are the 2 dates, the declaration date of the interest on by the seller company. Are you okay?
Okay, sir.
Right, okay. When you are purchasing, I told you, debit investment account, credit in the cash account. I'm writing here, you have to write down full 1st July 2015. Cash account is how many thousand? Nominal value, how many thousand? 100,000. Each 100 rupees, they bought 91 multiplied by 100. Sorry, 100, not 100, 91 multiplied by 1000 documents. Each debentures having a nominal value of 100 rupees. The number of documents or a number of investment 1000 multiplied by 100, 100,000.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Nominal value is 2 lakhs, sir.
2 lakhs. Okay. Therefore, okay, nominal value, therefore we have to write down 200,000. Therefore 202,000 multiplied by that, our total will be 182,000. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, right, thank you. This is the purchase date is okay, no? 1st July 2015. Okay, no? Yes? Ara, is it okay? The purchasing date okay? 1st July?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Right, okay. After July, our year, look at here. This is we have to look at on 1st July, we have to look at the what is the method we are applying, cum or a X.
X dividend method.
Yes, okay. I will explain you for you easy reference. When you talk about the cum dividend, we have to find out the period of whose period? We have to find we have to find out the period for the interest calculation. Whose period? Seller. Under the X method, the interest period would be calculated whom? Buyer period. Or you can say new owner. In our example saying new owner, this person is the what owner?
Old owner.
Old owner. Okay, you have to be careful. When you're doing the example number one, I have taken the period for a old owner or a seller. Now I am going to take the new owner or a buyer from the date of purchasing. The period would be calculated from the date of purchasing to year declaration. I will repeat again. Earlier case, our 31st March is the our date. We bought on 1st May, which is the example number one. When we bought, can you tell me?
First May, sir.
1st May. Within that, how many months we have? 31st March
One.
to 1 month. Can you look at your example? I have calculated 1 month divided by 12 like this. I have taken the period 1 month for a seller. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Right.
sir.
Now look at, if you are doing the X method, from the date of purchasing 1st July to, I have to move to which date? I have to find the period for which date? 30th?
Nine.
30th what? Can I go for a 31st March? No, I am on 1st July. I want to find out the period, the date of purchasing 1st July to 31st September, how many months available? That is the period for what seller? New seller or a new owner or a old owner?
New owner.
New owner. Very good. Look at here. 1st July is the first month. August is the another one. September full also another one. Therefore, there will be the how many months now? We won't take how
3
many?
months.
3 months. Very good. Very good. Look at here. 3 divided by 12 multiplied by our percentage is 10 multiplied by, always you want to take the what value?
Nominal value.
Very good. Can you find out the answer, please? I don't have calculator. I didn't bring. I kept at my home. Can you tell me? 3 divided by 12 multiplied by 10 percentage multiplied by 200,000. That is the interest is belongs to seller. I want to adjust whether it is cum dividend or ex dividend method. That is depend on the our calculation.
5,000.
Is it okay? 5,000. Yeah, okay, 5,000. I
Okay,
don't
sir.
know. 5,000
Yes,
is
sir.
okay. 5,000, okay. Okay, look at here. 5,000. The last example, the 5,000 deducted or added?
Added.
Right. No, no. Last example?
Deducted, sir.
Deducted. Therefore, under the cum method, I want to add because this is not included. Earlier case included. Got the idea? I will follow step by step. Therefore, you have to be comfortable. Don't miss it. I will explain you your way. Is it okay now? Understood?
Okay, sir.
Right. Now look at 182 plus 5 altogether 187,000 would be recorded. Under the what method?
X
What?
method.
Yes, yes, very good. I will repeat again. Look at here. With the earlier example, say example 182, assume that 182. If you calculate the 5,000 rupees for the old owner, you have deducted the balance amount you have recorded. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
That is under the what method? Cum. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now I am doing what method? X method. I want to calculate the new period. The interest is 5,000. Already deducted. This method should be added 187. I want to record this part. Is it okay no?
Okay, sir.
Right. Again. Misa. What about Misa? Ara, Misa. Okay. Understood? Dollar silent.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay. Now look at I will take. Earlier method, what is the interest you have calculated, deducted, and you have recorded in the same side of the income column? Is it okay? What is the interest?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the interest you have deducted? The same interest you have recorded in the same side of the income column. Okay, no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now I am saying under the X method, what is the interest you have added with your 182,000? That interest would be recorded in the income column, not the same side. You have to record the opposite side. Are you okay? Got my explanation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Under the cum method, deducted interest would be recorded in the income column same side. Under the X method, added income would be recorded in the income column of the other side. We have to write down here 1st July 2015 cash 5,000. I got this one. Now look at the my double entry. Can you look at the double entry? Anyone? Can you read double entry for this method? What is double entry? What is the double entry? Cash account is what? Credit.
Debit.
Yes, cash account is credit. How much? 180 2,000.
82,000.
82,000.
Credit in the income column of the investment account 5,000. Debit 180,000 capital column of the investment account. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. Now we have completed for the recording part. Next one we have 31st September 2015. You have, don't write 31st September 15. That is the date for what? Receiving a interest. After purchasing, you are entitled to record, no? Good one. Got it one. Got
Sir,
it?
can you repeat that again?
Alright, okay, look at. Now we have purchased on 1st July 2015. After purchasing 1st July 2015, you are entitled to receive the interest. I am saying after 1st July 2015, there is no transaction, August or whatever. After that, we come across our interest period of 31st September 2000. We have to record for interest or not. That's what I am asking commonly. After purchasing, you have to record for interest. No, already you purchased, you will be receive the interest. Are you okay or not? You agree with me? Don't worry about the cum method or X method. Just I am commonly asking. After 1st July, are you entitled to receive the interest or not? That's what I am asking. Yes or no? Laksan,
Yes, sir.
got my idea? Laksant, you are there?
Yes, sir.
What about you? I want to explain in Sinhala or Tamil. I don't know. You are
Tamil, sir.
okay. All right. What about that? Can you explain or can you understand this one?
No, sir.
After I'm asking, we bought the investment 1st July. Okay, no?
Okay, sir.
If you invest on 1st July, after July you are entitled to receive the dividend or interest. Anyone can answer. What about you? Are entitled to receive the interest or dividend? I'm asking, no worried about the cum method or X method. I will tell the method. Just I am commonly asking. Yes or no? You are entitled, or can you receive the interest or a dividend after 1st July? You deposit the money in the bank. Okay, no, I will tell the other way around. You deposit the 200,000. You have deposited 200,000 in the bank 1st July. I'm asking, after 1st July, can you get the interest from the bank after 1st July?
No, sir.
Yes or no? After 1st
Yes,
July,
sir.
after 1st July, I entitled to
we,
receive the interest from the bank or not? Anyone? Misa? Ara? You purchase, you just simple question. You purchase 1st July. I am asking after 1st July, after 1st July, after 1st July, you are entitled. You get the interest after 1st July. That's what I am asking. You invest no. If you invest, why
Yes,
you are
sir.
invest? Just
Can
you are going to
receive it.
invest. No, you are investing to get the interest or a dividend. That's why I'm asking. After 1st July, you are entitled to get the interest or a dividend. I have explained the bank account also. You have deposit the money in the bank. From that date, you will be getting interest or not. Now,
Can you, can you receive the interest, sir?
yeah, what is
Yes,
that?
sir. We can get, sir.
Yeah, I am asking in first. I told you have made a investment on 1st July 2015. If you made a investment, you will be getting interest or a dividend. If you invest in the shares, you will be receive the dividend. If you invest the treasury bill, debentures or any other document or a commercial paper, you will be received 10% interest after your investment. Now they are saying our interest date is every year 31st March and every year 31st September. After July, you are come across 31st September. That's why I am asking. After 1st July, are you entitled to get the interest or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
yes, sir,
yes,
we can.
yes, yes. You are entitled. You have deposited the money 200,000 in the People's Bank in Candy. From that, you will be receive the interest for 200,000. You will be getting 2nd July, 3rd July, 1st September, August. Any year, you any day you will be receive the interest because your money with the bank. Same way, your money also invested in the debentures. Your money also invested in the debentures. That's why you are getting the interest. Is it okay? No common thing? Common thing? Common? Okay? No? Ara?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Okay, sir.
Right. Now look at. I will come to the cum method and the X method. If you purchase on cum dividend basis, after purchasing, what is your date given? You have to record. Say after purchasing 1st July, you are come across September 30th. You have to record. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Keep in mind that when you are purchasing on cum basis, okay, when you are purchasing ex dividend basis, when you are purchasing the investment on ex dividend basis, immediately following interest date, you are not going to record. Immediately following interest day, you are not going to record. Okay, good idea. Immediately following period, that means after purchasing your purchasing date 1st July, after that you are come across 30th September. You are not come across 30th September March, you are come across 30th September. You are not going to record the interest. After that you can record when you are doing the investment on X basis. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Therefore, do we want to record the 6 month multiply by 10 percentage multiply by 200? Do we want to record for this particular year period?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. If you want, you can write down no interest calculation. You can. This is for your reference. No need to record in your answer. This is for your references. Are you okay? Got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Right. Is there a yeah? Any question? And is it okay? Can you understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Now I am
Okay,
asking.
Why are
sir.
not calculate?
Yeah. What is that? Is there any question on that? Can I move?
Sir, sir, why sir no need interest calculate?
Yeah, because when you are going for a X method, when you are going for a X method, when you are going for a X method, immediately following period we are not going to calculate because that is the interest already calculated. When you look at here 5,000. When you are purchasing on X dividend basis, you have calculated your original interest. That's why I told you, look at here. When you are purchasing, we have to find out the new owner interest, means your interest already I have calculated, recorded 5,000. If you record and calculate here 5,000, you are double counting. That's why the method saying immediately following period, no need to calculate. Got the idea? Naufi?
Okay.
Or who asked?
Yes, sir,
Infas or
okay.
Naufik asked?
Now okay.
Okay, no?
Sir, now okay, sir.
I have recorded already. But this method or a kum method, we are not recording. Okay?
Yes, sir,
Next,
okay.
yeah. Now, next one. Now we are on the 31st September. There is no record October, November, December. But now we are come across 31st March 2000 when? 16.
16.
Yeah, this day we have to calculate the interest for how many months?
6
6
months.
months.
Multiply by 200. How much is that? 10,000? 10,000?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
10,000. Can I record 10,000? This is immediately following period. I told you we cannot calculate. When you are coming after next period, we have to calculate for an entire 6 months. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
All right. Is there any transaction or is there any records? No, no. Is there any records? That's all.
Oh, sir. That's all, sir.
That's all. We have to do the. We have to do the final part. Okay, shall we finish off? Shall I finish off the ledger? 200,000, 200,000. Here also 200,000. 31st March 2016. Balance brought forward of 200,000. Again on 1st August 2016. Balance carried, sorry, this one, sorry, yeah, sorry, this one carried forward, yeah, you didn't tell anyone. This is balance carried forward. This is balance brought forward of okay, got the idea? 200,000, is it okay? Yeah.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Okay, sir.
Now, right. Okay. Now we have to come to this one. 187,000. 187,000. This is also carried down 180, brought forward or brought down 187,000. Is it okay? The nominal value of the 200,000 you have purchased for not 182, you purchased for a 187. That's why your cost is 187. Your nominal value 200,000. Your nominal value 200,000. Your cost is 187,000. Therefore, that will be the difference. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, sir, okay.
Now look at. Can I put here anything? No. I want to put here 15,000. Here also 15,000. The gap also 15,000. This would be transferred to what is statement?
Income statement.
Income statement. We have to write down what is that? Income. What income?
Investment income.
Investment income. Are you okay? Got the idea? Okay, are you comfortable with that?
Yes, sir.
Right. Look at here. Look at here. I will show you. If you calculated here, what is the amount you will be getting here? If you calculated here, I told you don't calculate on the rounded area or 31st September 2015. I told you don't calculate for a 6 month. If you calculate, how much you will be recorded here? How much?
10,000.
10,000. Therefore, your ultimate answer will be how much? 25,000.
Yes, sir.
Your
25,000.
income account also you will be transfer how much?
25,000.
25,000. Therefore, 25,000 is based on our calculation. 25, right or wrong?
Wrong.
Wrong.
Wrong,
That's
sir.
why I told don't put this one. I will justify you. Is it okay? I will justify how much our total interest for that particular year. Is it okay? Can I prove you?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. I will delete this part for your proof. I will delete this part. You have no answer, I am going to delete it because I have to prove how much your total interest after your investment. Okay, no? Look at your accounting period is started with the 1st April 2015 to how many months? 31st March 2016. How many months? Entirely how many months?
12 months.
12 months.
12.
We made an investment on, when we made the investment?
First July.
1st July 2015. Can you ask the interest for this period?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
You can ask the interest for which period? This period. Okay?
9.
Okay, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir, yes.
Right. What is our investment made? What is the investment we made? 200,000?
Yes, sir. 200,000.
200,000. What is the interest rate?
10%.
Right. Now we have to look at. I told you, you can buy the investment less than or more than, doesn't matter. You can calculate the interest for your nominal value. Is it okay? No, we purchase 182 or 187. That is the purpose to record the investment account. When you calculate the interest or dividend, we want to take the fair value of your document. Your fair value of the document 200,000. That is why we want to take 200,000. I have recorded 10%. How much interest you are entitled for the current year will be calculated for your investment months. Can you find out the investment month? 1st July, how many months?
9 months.
1st July, 1 month. August,
yes, yes.
September, October, November, December, January, February, March 31st. How many months?
9 months.
Right. 9 months multiplied by that one. Can you tell me anyone the answer?
15,000.
Very good. 15,000. Look at here. You are getting the interest for the current period, the 1st April 15 to 31st March 2016, your financial year. On that, you are getting the interest due to the 200 investment, only 15,000 for the how many months? For
9
the
months.
9 months. When you are putting 10,000 here, you are manipulating your profit. You are saying my profit 25,000 instead of 15,000. This is wrong. That's why the X method is saying after purchasing immediately following period, don't record.
9 months.
Yes, 9 months. Immediately following period, don't record means after purchasing, you are purchasing 1st July, After that, immediately following is September 15, the method saying don't calculate the interest for immediately following interest date. What then? Look at the difference between these two methods. If you refer the textbook, you never see like this. I explain you my own way. Look at the textbook, advanced financial accounting we have, financial accounting we have. After that, you can look at the investment account. There is no explanation like this. They have calculated like this. You have to understand. That's why I am saying why we are not going to record. What is the justification for that period you have omitted? I think Mr. Nofik or somebody asked me why we are removing sir. This is the answer. Whether you have asked or not, I thought to explain you, but you asked the question. That's why I am telling now. Look at here. This is the justification we have to omit that interest calculation for that period. What about, are you okay, comfortable with the answer? Now you have?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, no? Right. Right, look at here. I will compare with you now. This is what method?
Home dividend method.
Right. For the Kung dividend method, we want to calculate the interest period. Interest period. That is the problem now. Calculate interest period for which party? Purchaser or a seller?
Purchase.
Seller, or we can say what donor? All donor.
All donor.
Here we have to take the interest period. I have taken 1 month, 3 month, 3 month, 1 month, 5 months, 4 months. That is the difficult area. That's why I am giving the clue. Old owner. Here we have to take the buyer or a purchaser, or you can say what owner?
New owner.
For which period you have calculated interest, whatever the interest you have calculated here, no, calculated interest would be recorded in the income column. What side? Same side or other side?
Same side.
Yes, very good. Here you have to write down calculated interest could be recorded in the income column. What side?
Opposite side.
Yes,
Opposite.
very good, very good. Opposite side. Opposite side means debit and the credit. Good idea?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Whatever the interest you have calculated, calculated interest would be deducted from your payment. Are you okay? Under the cum method we have deducted, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Here, whatever the interest you have calculated would be what?
Added.
Very good. Added. These are the 3 key points. I am giving the clue. Keep in mind, these are the 2 points common for cum dividend purchase, ex dividend purchase, and also cum dividend sale and cum dividend ex dividend sales. All 4 arrangements, this is the clue common. That's why I am giving the common side, opposite side. If there is a sales, we have to record in the credit side. Cum method, we have to record credit side. If you are going for a X method, sales would be recorded the debit side when you are discussing the selling. Is it okay? Understood this part? I have done simply cum dividend because I want to mix this later. I want to mix debit, purchase, credit, cum, X. That's why I am telling. I have finished off the cum method, how to record, what is the clue. I have done today X method, how to record X method. Now we have compared difference between the cum method and the X method. I think you will be more. I think 96 you have, altogether 95. We will be comfortable for my answer and the example and explanation. Okay?
Okay, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, clear no?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I have recorded the investment account also. I try to put in the VLE, very difficult because of the lengthy. I asked some technical people. I will load it. This is the second class. I have recorded investment account 1, investment account 2. I will put in VLE. If not possible, I will put in the YouTube and I will send the link for your request. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, I have recorded already one. This is the second one. I will load you. I will try you. Otherwise, I will give my. Anyway, I will give you. Don't worry. From after your request class, I have recorded regularly. If possible, I will put in VLE. I try according to my knowledge, maybe the technical or problem something. I will ask the technical people. Otherwise, if it's a lengthy file, I will put in YouTube. I will give the YouTube link. You can refer. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you very
Okay.
much, sir.
Okay. Okay. See you.
Okay,
Bye.
sir.
We will do the next class. Sales. We will look at the sales next class. Okay. See you by next day. Have a nice day.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
thank you, sir.
Okay.